Welcome to 5-Minute Bedtime Stories, brought to you by TaleBot, your child's AI storyteller. Want to create a bedtime story for your child? Visit talebotai.com/create. Now, let's sit back and enjoy the story.
Ruben's Journey Through the Marvelous Machine. A special bedtime story for Ruben. Once upon a time, in a cozy little house on Elm Street, there lived a curious 7-year-old boy named Ruben. Ruben loved bedtime stories, especially ones that took him on exciting adventures. Tonight was no different, as Ruben's mother tucked him in and asked, "Ruben, would you like to hear a special story about the incredible human body?" Ruben's eyes sparkled with curiosity as he nodded eagerly. His mother smiled and began, "Tonight, we'll embark on a magical journey through your own body. Are you ready, Ruben?" Ruben nodded again, and his mother began the tale. In a land not too far away, Ruben found himself standing at the entrance of a mysterious machine. It was a gigantic contraption, filled with colorful pipes, levers, and buttons. Standing there was a mischievous cat, wearing a tall, red and white striped hat. It was none other than the famous Cat in the Hat. "Hello, Ruben," the cat greeted with a twinkle in his eyes. "Welcome to the marvelous machine that is your body. Hold on tight, for we're about to embark on an extraordinary adventure." Ruben's heart raced with excitement as the machine roared to life. In an instant, they were off, soaring through a tunnel of swirling colors. The cat explained that they were heading toward the brain, the control center of Ruben's body. As they arrived, Ruben's eyes widened in awe. The brain was split into two distinct parts, the left and right hemispheres. Each hemisphere had its own unique capabilities, just like the two sides of a coin. Ruben learned that the left side was responsible for logic and language, while the right side was all about creativity and imagination. Leaving the brain behind, Ruben and the cat continued their journey. They dove into a river of crimson, floating on tiny boats made of red blood cells. The cat explained that this was the bloodstream, a bustling highway inside Ruben's body. As they floated along, Ruben noticed tiny creatures swimming beside them. They were the Felatons from far-off Faden. These amazing beings had translucent skin that allowed sunlight to pass through. It was like swimming beside shimmering rainbows. Exiting the bloodstream, Ruben found himself in a vast, winding maze. He was inside the digestive system, where food and water traveled to provide the body with energy. The cat showed him how the stomach churned and mixed the food while the intestines absorbed all the necessary nutrients. Ruben's stomach growled just at the thought of food, and the cat chuckled. "Fear not, Ruben. We'll soon reach a very special place where you can enjoy a tasty treat." Ruben's excitement grew as they entered the mouth of the digestive system. Suddenly, he found himself in an enchanting land filled with toothy mountains, gumdrop trees, and a chocolate river. It was a delicious paradise called Cavity-Free Canyon. Ruben and the cat savored the sweet delights, picking fruits from trees and sipping from the chocolate river. As Ruben took a bite from a juicy apple, he learned the importance of taking care of his teeth to maintain a healthy smile. Their bellies full and spirits lifted, Ruben and the cat bid farewell to Cavity-Free Canyon. It was time to continue their journey. They traveled through Ruben's sturdy bones, marveling at their strength and flexibility. They passed by the heart, the hardworking organ that pumped blood throughout the body. Ruben's heart swelled with gratitude as he realized how tirelessly it worked to keep him alive. Finally, Ruben and the cat arrived back at the entrance of the marvelous machine. Ruben's heart was full of wonder and newfound knowledge about his incredible body. The cat smiled at Ruben and said, "Remember, Ruben, your body is a remarkable creation. Take care of it, nourish it, and let it take you on countless adventures." Ruben nodded, feeling a sense of awe and appreciation for the incredible machine that was his body. As Ruben's mother finished the story, she kissed him goodnight and whispered, "Rest well, my little adventurer. Dream sweet dreams of the marvelous machine inside you." With a contented smile on his face, Ruben closed his eyes, cherishing the knowledge of his incredible body and the adventure he had just experienced. As he drifted off to sleep, his imagination soared, ready to embark on many more extraordinary journeys within his own marvelous machine.
Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey. If you enjoyed tonight's story, remember, the magic doesn't have to end here. Craft your own adventure with TaleBot by visiting talebotai.com/create. And as a special treat, use the coupon code TALE99 at checkout to get your bedtime story for just 99 cents, instead of the usual $2.99. Sweet dreams, and until our next tale.